This is a 34 by 36 shower drain I'm gonna be installing. I mark the center, then I use the drain and mark it slightly larger. Then I use a drill to make a hole. Then I use a jigsaw to cut the hole. Next, I apply a sheet of plastic to put the mortar mix on top. Before I mix the mortar, I clean both the shower pan and the shower drain, preparing them to apply the silicone. Make sure you use 100% silicone. Apply the top portion of the drain. Then put in the rubber gasket and then the paper gasket, and put the bottom portion and screw it in. I'm using this tool that make it easier to tight the bottom portion of the shower drain in. Then I clean up the excess silicone and pop in the top cover. I am using this type S mortar mix. After mixing it, I apply it on top of the plastic. I put more mortar on the lower spot to keep the pan level. I am using this laser level. It makes this job a lot easier. To level the pan, I am using a piece of foam at the bottom with a piece of 2x4 on top and a hammer. Then I use a regular level to double check. I use this 1.5" stainless steel screw, and the pen come with those bracket clip that go on the edge, and you screw it to the stud. Then I check the level again after I screw the pen to the stud to make sure nothing moves dramatically. Now this bathroom is one step closer to being done. Thank you for coming to my channel. Have a good one.